Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to show and hide containers with clicking a button. So let me show you the demo first of all. So here you can see the box 1 button. So when I click on box 1, the first container appears. When I click here for box 2, the second container appears. When I click here for box 3, the third container appears. Same as it is when I click here for box 3. So the third container disappears. When I click here for box 2, the second container disappears. When I click on box 1, the first container disappears. So let me show you how can we do this using Elementor. So let me go to my page here. So I have created a new page here. So first of all, I will just click on flexbox here. Then I will just insert this container here. After that, I will go to my widget section here and I will search for HTML here. I will just drag and drop the HTML section here and I will just insert a code here. So I will paste this code in my HTML section. So this is the JavaScript code. So I will share the code in the comment section. And after that, I will just go to my widget section here and I will here search for a button. I will just drag and drop the button here inside of this container. And here I will just name it box 1. And I will go to the style tab here and I will just change the color here into black. After that, I will click on Flexbox again, Flexbox, and I will choose these two containers. In here, I will just on the left hand side, I will insert an image and on the right hand side, I will insert a content here. So I will go back here and I will just insert an image here. So here you can see this is the new version v4 of the Elementor. I will just go here and I will select an image from here. So for example, I will just select this image and I will just drag and drop this image. So I will just, here you can see this is the image. And after that, I will go to my widget section here and I will here search for the text. I will just drag and drop the text here. I will go back here and I will copy this text here. And now I will just paste this code inside of this text section. And after that, I will go to the style tab and I will change the color into black. In this container here, I will just click on this container. I will just make the content here, justify content center. In here, I will just click on 6 dots here. Here, I will give it a gap of 20 to look better. And after that, I will just copy this button and I will paste it inside of this section. Here you can see. And I will just name it. Click here for box 2. Here you can see. I will just duplicate this same as it is. Duplicate. And I will just change the image from here. I will just insert this image here. And then I will just change the name for box 3. I will make it box 2 to box 3. And I will just duplicate this container here as well. As much as containers you need, but I am just making 3 containers to show you. And here I will just name it click here. So this button has nothing to do. I will leave it as it is. And here I will just change the image. Let me just search for an image. So let me just insert this image here. So now you can see. And here I will just click on publish. And let me preview it. So now you can see it's doing nothing. So when you click on buttons, it's doing nothing. I will just go back here and here I will just go to the box 1 here and here I will just give it a class name here. So using my code. So it's mindful toggle. So it's inside of the JavaScript code. So you can see it here. So here you can see this is the actual class. So you need to just copy this class and here go to the box 1, go to the advanced and here just paste it inside of the CSS classes. Here you can see. Same as it is with the second one, advanced. And here, same as it is with this one, same as it is CSS classes here. And we don't give it a name to this click here button. So we'll leave it as it is. So click on this container 6 dots, go to the advanced and go to the CSS classes and give it a name toggle content. So you can see the class name inside of this JavaScript code. Here you can see it's mindful toggle, here toggle content. So just copy this code and here go to this here on click on 6 dots here, go to the advanced CSS classes, just paste it here. Same as it is with this one, advanced toggle content CSS classes. Here, same as it is, go to the advanced and here paste this class name here as well. Let me just click on publish and let me show you. So here you can see everything is disappeared. Now box 1 is appearing here. When you click on box 1, here you can see, click here for box 2, so you can see here, click here for box 3, so you can see here. So when you click here box 2, the container 3 disappears, container 2 disappears, and container 1 disappears. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.